Amazon is probably where I get my, you know. Hi everyone. Now today I've got my very first try on haul. Let's just try on some clothes.
I like the way you work it. No diggity. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I'm about to bag it up.
Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I went shopping on Amazon. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I think about buying clothes, the first place I think about is not Amazon. You know, Amazon is somewhere where I get my iPhone chargers, my water wipes, or my apple cider vinegar, but it's not really the first place I think about if I want to buy clothes. But you know, I was tempted because I needed some last minute stuff, just some basics, so I thought I would try buying some clothes on Amazon. Now this video is not sponsored, trust me. I have Amazon Prime and I shop from Amazon all the time, and that was actually one of the things that kind of persuaded me to try it, because I knew I could get my stuff pretty much next day or within a day or so. And I thought, you know what, I have Prime, so I went shopping, bought a couple of stuff, and I just thought I would try on one with you guys. Let's just try on some clothes.
I like the way you work it. No diggity. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work.
To start off with, I've got this jumper. This jumper is from New Look, and I got it in the size 18 to 20. It's a leopard print jumper. It's very comfortable to wear actually, and there is a lot of stretch with this jumper. I think I could have probably no, because this is already an 18 to 20. So I don't think I would have got away with a 16 to 18, but it's very stretchy. There's a lot of room, so, and it's very comfortable. You know, some other jumpers give you that sort of itchy feeling. This didn't. Very comfortable. It's not one of those figure hugging jumpers, just your everyday kind of basics really. Next I have a pair of Bootcut Jeans. These are from New Look, and I got them in a size 22. Now these, I love the feel of it. They do have stretch to them as well, which is great when it comes to denim. The worst thing I hate is finding jeans that, one, don't fit over my thick thighs, or two, if they do fit over my thighs, they're loose on the waist, but this just seems to hug my entire shape. Like, it fits over my thick thighs, which is a bonus, and then it sort of hugs around my waist. I feel so good in these. They are such a beautiful fit. They fit true to size. Normally I am a size 20 when it comes to trousers, but I thought I'll get a size 22, but I am kind of glad that I got a size 22, because size 22 fits me so well. So the only thing I would say is that they do come up a little bit long on me. Not a lot, but just a little bit. I'm around 5'6", and these I think are the regular length. So if you're shorter than 5'6", then maybe you could get like a petite version if they do that in that length. I just found these coming up a little bit long on me, even with heels on. They are boot cut, so they're not designed to be tight around the ankles like a skinny jean would be. Other than that, I love these. I'll probably get them in the blue. They're very comfortable, and for the price as well, it's a good deal. Next we have another jumper. Like I said, I was just buying basics really. This one is not from a brand that I know of. It's from Style Dome, and I got it in extra large. Now this is quite thin compared to the previous jumper. This one is quite a thin jumper. I think this would be great just to layer over something like a t-shirt. It's supposed to be an oversized kind of jumper. On the model it's oversized. On me it's not oversized. On me it's not bigger hugging, but it's not oversized. It just looks like a regular size on me. So even though the style was supposed to be oversized, this is not as comfortable as the previous one. I don't know if it's because it's by a brand that I don't know, whereas New Look is a brand that I kind of know. the quality in comparison to the previous jumper is not there. But I just think if you just need like a basic, you know, jumper just to sort of run errands in, just for, you know, the school run or anything like that, I think this is nice enough. I like the colour. I like the pink colour. The sort of pink colour is very nice. It will do. Next, I have on this turtleneck. This does what it says on the tin. Yeah, it's a basic turtleneck. But I do love the way this looks on me. I think like an all black ensemble, it's so chic, and wearing turtlenecks just makes you look so chic. So that's why I got them. I did see them in a different colour on the website, like a burgundy colour. I wasn't sure if I would like them in that colour, so I just thought I would get them in black, and then if I like it, buy the burgundy one. I noticed also that it is a little bit sheer, so you will probably need to wear something underneath, like a little tank top or something, because it is quite sheer. But I do like the way it kind of fits and hugs my my shape. There isn't as much stretch to this as I thought there would be. You know, I thought there would probably be a little bit more stretch to it, but if you're looking for something that's figure hugging, then I think this is a great one to try out. It definitely does look chic though. I'm not gonna lie, it really does look chic. Next are these trousers from Simply Be. Now, I was weary about getting trousers like this because I just wasn't sure about the fit. But because it says it's quite stretchy, I got these in a size 20 instead of like a size 22. And you know what? I'm glad I got them in a size 20 because these really are quite stretchy. They are beautiful on. It really feels nice on. It's very, very comfortable. It's very stretchy. It's not tight or anything like that. It kind of, you know, just forms to your shape. I can see myself wearing these every single day. I think these, out of everything I've bought, I think these are probably my favourite. I love them. I really, really love them. And they're from Simply Be, so I think I have heard of Simply Be before. And that's the thing I love about Amazon, the fact that they carry brands that you've heard of and brands that you may not have heard of. So you can kind of trust in the quality of the ones that you know, you can trust in the quality. And this is very, very, very beautiful. I quite like the little extra belt that they've added on. You know, I love the fact that it sort of brings it up instead of it just being a basic black trousers. It kind of adds a little bit of style to it. They're having a little belt on. They're nice. Out of everything that I bought, I love these. These are super, super nice. Thank you guys, so that was it. That was my first ever try on haul. Let me know what you think of buying clothes on Amazon. Is it something you do all the time? Is it something you have experience of? You know, just let me know your thoughts down below. If you enjoyed the video and you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.